Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are diving into a crucial topic that could make or break your relationship, and that is marriage and money. So we are kickstarting our series. We're super excited. Mastering Marriage and Money. And this first part is laying the foundation for financial bliss. Understanding and managing finances in a relationship is vital, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So stay with me as we navigate this journey towards financial bliss in marriage. All right, our first cornerstone for a financially blissful marriage is open communication. Transparency is key when it comes to talking about financial values, priorities, and concerns. It's not just about sharing how much you earn, how much you make, or how much debt you have, but also your attitude towards money, your financial aspiration, and your fears. Yes, your fear. What are you afraid of with money? In order to kickstart these open and honest conversations about money, consider setting aside a regular financial date night. I know you might not put financial and date together, but let's try it. Use this time to discuss your finances without distractions or interruptions. You may be surprised at just how much you learn about each other. Okay, so just have an open mind. But remember, communication is not just about talking, it's also about listening. Active listening and mutual understanding play a crucial role in fostering a healthy financial dialogue. Okay, so when your partner speaks, truly hear them out, understand their perspective, and validate their feelings. Remember, a healthy financial dialogue is a game changer in any relationship. Now, if you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to the Budget Boss channel for more financial tips. All right, moving on to our second tip. Share financial goals. Imagine embarking on a journey without a map or destination in mind. It sounds like a mess, right? That's precisely how your financial journey would be without shared financial goals. Setting these goals, both short-term and long-term, is a crucial part of any couple's financial journey. It's like setting the coordinates for your shared financial destination. But remember, these goals shouldn't be about numbers, just about the numbers or material possessions. They should also reflect your shared values and aspirations, like we mentioned earlier. Maybe it's buying your first home, or funding your children's education, or even traveling the world. I love traveling. Each goal should be a stepping stone towards your unified vision for the future. Okay. Now, how do you prioritize these goals? Start by listing them out first, and then rank them based on how important they are and the urgency they are to you. And remember, it's about finding a balance between what you want now and what you want most. Okay, so shared goals not only unify your vision, but they also strengthen your bond together. So we're going to move on to our final tip now. Lastly, but definitely not the least, let's talk about building a solid foundation. You see, just like any sturdy house, you want a strong house, a strong financial life is built on a solid foundation. This foundation is crucial in supporting the overall stability of your marriage. So what makes up this financial foundation I'm talking about? It includes essential elements such as your emergency fund, a well-planned budget, and a culture of savings. Yes, savings. An emergency fund acts as that safety net, protecting you from unforeseen financial shocks. Okay. And a budget, on the other hand, this is your roadmap, your financial roadmap, guiding your spending decisions and helping you live within your means. And then your savings, the habit of consistently setting aside a portion of your income for future needs. So how do you build this foundation? Start by setting up an emergency fund, then creating a budget that reflects your shared values and goals, and then cultivating a savings habit. By taking these steps, you're laying a robust groundwork for financial bliss. With a solid foundation, you and your partner are well on your way to financial bliss. All right, that wraps it up for part 1 of our series. We share some vital tips on open communication, setting shared financial goals, and building a solid foundation. These strategies can truly help foster financial bliss in your relationship. Now it's your turn to apply them. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses. And say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.